What's the deal, ladies and gents? It's your boy Kayola, back with another video, and today you're gonna learn how Lil Baby lays down his verses. So the thing about Lil Baby and even Gunna to a certain extent is they have a certain type of rap style that they do. I call it the A-B rap style. And the A part basically goes, they'll present an idea. You know, they'll speak on a car, speak on some jewelry, speak on a woman, speak on a situation. And the B part, the second part of the bar, is they're going to say something about the bar. So, like, say for instance, they'll say they're in a new car. And then the B part, they'll say something about the car, something about the car's color or what the car does, how fast the car drives or how the car looks. You know what I'm saying? And you can find this technique in a lot of Lil Baby songs, and the style is even so contagious. Drake even used the same style in Yes Indeed. Okay, when Drake says, the dash is digi, the schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousin like Boogie, life is amazing, it is what it should be, been here for 10 but I feel like a rookie, I tell her look up cause it's snowing in Tussies, but for 3 years man you can't even book me, it's me and Lil Baby, this shit gon' go crazy, Weezy produced me and Weezy F made me, and she held it down so she got a Mercedes. You see what I'm saying? You see how there's one part to the bar and there's a second part where he brings up an idea or he brings up a topic, and then on the second part he describes it or he says something about it. You know what I'm saying? Like Lil Baby's part, Cartier glasses, I won't even peek at you. Yellow Ferrari, it's Pikachu. Real dope boy, 100,000 in the Vizu. Presidential tent, slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. $1 million on hundreds, I make him go crazy. Wah, bitch on the baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tailor my clothes, no starch please. Soon as I nut, you can go and leave. Got M's in the bank, like Yes Indeed. Me and my dogs going all the way. When you living like this, they supposed to hate. He even uses the same technique in Drip Too Hard, and Gunna does too. And I'll break that down too. You know what I'm saying? You see how it's one part and it's another part. One part and another part. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. Here's Gunna's part. Slacking while I'm working on my aim. See what I'm saying? It's simple as 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so I'm gonna get into my example. I created a little verse to a Lil Baby type beat, and I'll show you how it works and how you can basically use the same technique to get the same effect. All right, yeah. Brand new Ferrari, the forest is matching. I'm wearing this Richard, call more than a paddock. Room full of bitches, they just wanna eat me. I killed it last year, I'm finna repeat it. Now I'm so cold, no ice in my drink. I don't want a Sprite unless that shit pink. Walk out of Saks, I blew like a dub. She leaving a man, I heard he a scrub. Me and Young Gunna, we just like some twins. I fuck on your bitch, don't call her again. My whip got a screen, I'm watching the Falcons. The pistols sit in the middle like Malcolm. Come from the dirt, straight out the mud. Ain't selling my soul, I'm selling these drugs. See? No. This is part A, then this is part B. I'm saying something and I say something about it. You know what I'm saying? It's just as simple as that, man. So listen to a lot of Lil Baby songs and even some Young Gunna songs, man. They're doing this technique a lot in their songs, and the thing that differentiates it is they're just switching up the flow a little bit to different beats. And so you really can't catch it unless you're paying attention to it. So remember, it's part A and part B. Part A is you're bringing up an idea, and part B is you're saying something about it. You're describing it. You're saying what it does. You're saying what you're doing with it. You're saying what you're doing to it. Just think about that. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate you guys for watching this quick video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be updated on any new videos that drop, because I'm out here trying to help you become the best artist that you can be. Thanks. Everything copacetic, I'm ready now. Ay, wait a second, hold my beverage, I'm flexing now. Ay, need my cash, I'm older credit, it's over now. Yeah, tell them bitches roll the credits, cause we rolling now. Yeah, ain't know me at the bank. I give a damn about what you think. Please don't worry about what I drink. Walk into the place, I'm smelling like the stain. You don't even know what broke is when a nigga can't focus. Spent